Learn signal and systems using Apple Watch. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of signal and systems using Apple Watch from Suyash Kumar. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of signal and systems using Apple Watch. So let's get it started.
KONARK'S research. Subscribe now.
Introduction. Apple Watch is a versatile smartwatch designed to offer a wide range of functionalities like health, fitness tracking, communication, and entertainment. As we all know, Apple Watch is one of the best smartwatches money can buy, and it offers you top-notch fitness tracking and other communication and entertainment benefits. Core features of an Apple Watch. The core feature of an Apple Watch includes its facilities such as health monitoring, communication, smart features, and safety features. Let's discuss these in detail. Health monitoring. In health monitoring, Apple Watch facilitates us by tracking our heart rate, our ECG, blood oxygen levels, even sleep patterns, and daily activities to give us an overall well-rounded feedback about ourselves. Communication. It enables us to make calls, messages, and get notification directly to our smartwatches, and also it provides us with Siri Smart Assistant on our wrist. And smart features includes being able to manage and listen to music and podcasts. It also supports Apple Pay for contactless transactions, and it can also provide you with navigation on the Apple Watch itself. Safety features. For the elderly as well as for the juveniles, it can provide us with fall detection. That means if a person falls, if the person is unresponsive, it will give an automatic emergency call to the respective authorities, as well as an emergency SOS using the buttons. Now there are multiple color choices and multiple wristbands available for Apple Watch. It can also provide you with reminders such as taking your medications on time. It can also tell you about your sleep schedule and the quality of your sleep. And in a workout, it can also track your blood pressure as well as your heart rate. It can go on for days without charging if you put it on low power mode as well. Design and hardware. Talking about design and hardware, the most obvious and most beautiful part of an Apple Watch is its display, which is an retina display with OLED technology. That means it has deeper colors and more vibrant colors. Materials. The casing of Apple Watch is usually of aluminum, stainless steel, or titanium, depending upon the model you buy. Straps are easily interchangeable and come in a variety of materials like rubber, fabrics, and even plastics. It also supports water resistance to up to 50 meters. Here in this graph we can see the sensors available to us. These are the electrical heart sensors. On the sides there are speakers and ear vents, and this is the band release button through which we can change the straps. And this internal part is the oxygen and heart sensor. Talking about sensors, this is the circuit board of old Series 6 Apple Watch, and although we cannot see properly each and every part of this, but we can make a very good idea of what features each of them provides. For example, here this chip, Broadcom wireless charger, supports such wireless charging. This USB-C controller gives us USB-C input. The Apple processor is the main processing power of the Apple Watch. Skyworks GPS LNA filter provides us with GPS and location facilities. Apple connectivity provides us with the Wi-Fi services and much more. Basically, Apple Watch has multiple sensors. Some of them are accelerometer, gyroscope, optical heart sensor, electrical sensor, blood oxygen sensor, compass, ambient light sensor. Application of signals and system in Apple Watch. Now, Apple Watch can be used in health monitoring in various ways. The signals that the heartbeat produces can be measured by our wrists using Apple Watch, which can be then transmitted into graphs such as these using the data that we collect from Apple Watch. This data can be directly transferred to your mobile or your laptop, through which you can analyze, and even your doctor can analyze these reports and prescribe a better procedure for you. Blood oxygen levels. At every 5-minute interval, Apple Watch tracks your blood oxygen if you wanted to, and it can tell you whenever your blood oxygen level reduces beyond a certain level. Sleep tracking. If you are wearing your Apple Watch to sleep, it can tell you the quality of sleep that you've had. As we all know, there are parts of sleep: the REM cycle, the deep sleep, right? The deeper the sleep we have, the more rejuvenated and more recovered we are when we wake up. Thus, sleep tracking is a very important tool to us young students as well as people who have stressful lifestyles. Motion sensing. It can tell you at what speed you are going. And for example, if you are on a bicycle and you go beyond a speed limit, it can warn you and tell you to stay in the speed range. GPS, like I previously mentioned, it provides us with location tracking, and we can look through the GPS on our wrists only. Wireless communication, as I previously mentioned, it has access to making calls, sending messages, seeing notifications of various applications on the watch itself. Now, talking about the signals and system parts of the Apple Watch, the sleep tracking is not in the form of a graph. It is in the form of data, and the data can be transmitted to your phone, which converts it into graphs, through which we can analyze what kind of sleep that we have had. Smart features in Apple Watch. First of all, it has voice recognition. Voice recognition enables us to do multiple things. Everything that you can do using an Alexa smart home assistant or your Siri on your phone can be done on your Apple Watch as well. Music and podcasts. You can listen to music, change music, and even search for different kinds of music on the internet using your watch only. Fall detection. Fall detection is very crucial for the people who are of an older age, who might be at risk of collapsing at some time. So, if a person falls and does not respond in 30 seconds, you get a alert, and that alert is received by the respective agencies or your respective relatives, which can then be identified, which can then tell you what is going on, and maybe contact a doctor for you. Thank you. Like I said, when a fall detection occurred, your display changes to this, and it is your choice. If you decide to swipe right to this, the emergency call will shut down. Otherwise, it will automatically call the respective agencies. and the multimedia features like Spotify and other podcast listening applications can be run on your watch without any hassle. Thank you. This is all from my side.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.